here we are on Barry's 75 Caddy. Last time we saw the radiator was leaking. We were gonna send it out, get it rebuilt. It's just we kind of have a time frame and all this, so we ordered a new radiator, and it's aluminum or plastic end tanks. It'll get us on the road, and then we will get the radiator sent out, rebuilt, and then have it put back in at a later date. Also, this car, being that it's for sale, being that it's for sale, it might sell before that gets done. So, anywho, commence radiator replacement. I've got our 4 bolts here at the top of the shroud out, which you also have to pull brace. I got 1 brace out. All right, so I have to say, these original rubbers, and they are original still. God, they're nice. Good shape. All right, so that's coming out. That's coming out. And away we go. So we have a very large issue. The lower transmission cooler line here is completely rusted out. I soaked it with WD and other penetrant, and it is rusted to the point of, I put a wrench on it and it has cracked. You can see it down there. So this is a big issue right now, because this entire lower line is completely rotten. So definitely need to figure this out. Just trying to think what I can do, because it's rusted, it's rotten. Ideally, we can put a union in it and handle it. But I need to find a spot on the line where it's not rotten, and that would probably be up to here. But I'd have to cut and flare it, but I need a straight piece. That's the other problem. So let me get the radiator out the rest of the way and see what we got going, because obviously this is an issue, but it's, of course, a car from back east, so, or in the Midwest rather, so that's definitely not helping us. The radiator's out. Not too hard at all. We do have to deal with, see, this line up here. It's good. This rusty crusty mess down here, not so good. And I mean, it's crunchy back to here. So I need to go get a fitting and do a little swappy swap. Right, new radiator's in. I've repaired our line. I had fittings and I had transmission cooler hose. So I was able to make a repair. All our hoses are hooked up. I just gotta put our shroud back together and fill this baby with water. Well, not water, 50-50 premix, of course. And then fire her up. All right, everything's in, buttoned up and together. I'm gonna fire up the car. I'll let her get up to temp, perp this cooling system. Obviously turn the heater on. And then should be good to go. And of course I went to start it. Fucking battery's dead. All right, yank the battery out of Fleetwood. And it's cool on this side. A little bit of curvature. I mean, I know they have it kind of designed in, but there's definitely curvature. This side, it's leaking. You can see it's wet. It's been leaking out here. That's definitely battery acid. I better go wash my hands. It's diluted with water, so it's not like it's hurting. But it's actually hot on this side. It's the positive post. So just wanted to get that over. It's actually bulged. This could have occurred during that alternator failure, but it load tested fine after that. But it's got voltage, but it does not turn the motor over. I checked the voltage, and it's at 12.3, which isn't super high, but it's not, you know, to the point of not starting the car. And I could run next door and get my load tester and load test it, but with it bulging, let's just forget it. So I'm grabbing one and popping it in. All right, quick little swap. I actually grabbed battery because I wanted to get this thing fired up and burped before they could even bring me one. So I just grabbed one out of the other caddy right next to it. Same size, side post, yada yada. Swap that in quick. Boom. All right, gonna fire this baby up. There we go. Whew. All right. Now we're gonna burp the cooling system, get her all topped off, and away we go. Sky, did you find the noise? It's a snorkel on the fucking air cleaner, right?
Yep.
Not bad, no big deal. Easy fix. So the silencer for the air cleaner is rattling about and hitting the inner fender well. Cute. That is our knocky noise. Right, Scotty? Dr. Scotty?
I wonder.
It's probably rotting away down there. I'll give it a little shove. There you go. Harder, Daddy, harder! Ah, Papito! You want me to fire it up? Try it?
No, it's sliding out of here. Oh.
The clamp? Bad?
Yeah, no, the clamp needs to be tightened up.
What size is it?
Oh, God, it's a 6, maybe a 7 mil at most.
See? Oh, yeah, 1/4 inch. Okay, easy enough.